I am so fucking tired, dude. I think I'll go over here. Huh? Probably nothing. Where are your shoes? Oh, for fuck's sake, it's only you. Rough day, huh? Come here. Come here. You know, you're so weird, man. Mwah. Well, as for my shoes, material hasn't been established yet. Until then, I frolic with ringworm. Where the fuck are your shoes then? Well, unlike yourself, I am not a human being. And didn't you guys start wearing shoes like 10,000 years ago? Kaylin. Huh? Fell asleep. Yeah. Oh, this is the vacation I needed. So, is it normal for aliens to just traipse around in the woods without shoes? Well, my evolution allows it. And please, extraterrestrial, you guys are aliens to us. You're in our world now. Right. Sorry about that. Well, we only have 2 arms, you know? I mean, I know, what the hell?